In a lush meadow, a beautiful flower bloomed, and to everyone's surprise, it could talk. A curious bird named Luna perched on a nearby branch. Luna asked, "Flower, why are you so vibrant and colorful?" The flower replied, "I am happy because I am surrounded by nature's beauty, and I spread joy to those who see me." Luna noticed the flower's kindness and asked, "How can I be as kind as you?" The flower said, "Share your song with others, just like I share my beauty." Luna sang sweet melodies, and the flower bloomed brighter. Together, they spread happiness throughout the meadow.